wife hacks.
And full chain.
Teach your wife to use a chainsaw and she does all your chores for you. Join us next time for more.